Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, this is David Benjamin from Rockstar Reviews and Healthy, Wild, and Free on YouTube. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Nutribullet Combo. Now this is the Combo Nutribullet, so it's not the little one. This one has several settings. You have the power button, extract, low, medium, high pulse on here. And I'm going to show you how to utilize this for whatever you're trying to utilize it for. So today I am making a smoothie, and I just want to show you basically the functionality of each of these buttons and how it works. So first things first, if you're making a smoothie, I always make it in the smaller container because it just makes a lot more sense. But I'm just going to show you how this works, and then I'm going to share with you a few speed round tips on how to make the best smoothies, because I've been doing this for probably a decade now and I absolutely love it. So first things first, with the Nutribullet you have to push the power button first, so that's right here in the middle. It's going to light up along the outside. And once the power button is on, the extract button all the way to the left is the smoothie button. And the reason this is the extract button is very simple. When you put a blender with smoothie contents on here, I'm going to show you why. See how it stops? Goes again. It stops and starts. And then finishes it off. So I'm going to stop it. You stop it by pushing the button. So the thing I like about the extract button, just think of extract as the smoothie button. That button, it starts the blender and then stops it. So it starts it and stops it so that the top of the smoothie falls to the bottom and then it continues. So it stops, when it clumps up, it drops, and then it keeps doing that. So that's the extract function. The next button, and I'm going to put this in the video as well so you can see it, is the low speed, which is all the way to the left here. That is for thin batters, gravies, marinades, scrambled eggs, processing cooked foods, and uncooked fruits. So that's the low function button right here, which I can still push on a smoothie option if I want to, just to kind of whatever. The medium speed is used for cream soups, mixed dips, to grind nuts and blend sauces, spreads, mixed drinks, powdered drinks, and milkshakes. So that's the medium button. The high button, the high function, is used to liquefy thick mixtures and blend frozen fruits and vegetables. So that's all the way to the right here. Just think of low, medium, high having lower, medium, higher power. And then the pulse is used for chopping and processing mainly vegetables. So if you have carrots, celery, onions, things like that, I really love the pulse function on this Nutribullet because it acts as a food processor. So I really don't need a food processor. I can just use the Nutribullet Combo to get all of that, to benefit from all of that. So once again, recap. Extract, smoothies. It turns on and turns off so it doesn't clump and it comes to the bottom. Low is for your thin batters, gravies, marinades, cooked foods, uncooked fruits. So a lot of like sauces, so to speak. Medium is for soups, dips, nuts, sauces again, spreads, drinks, powdered drinks, and milkshakes. And then high is used for liquefy, thick mixtures, blend frozen foods and vegetables. Pulse is for all the way to the right, chopping and processing vegetables. So I'm going to put this image, which is somewhere in the Nutribullet Combo Blender manual. I'm going to put this image right here on the screen so you can see it, and maybe you can even screenshot this. And then, real quick, so what I did in this smoothie was I did some mixed greens, whoops, that's quality of night, some coconut, some pineapple, Boku superfood, really clean superfood, certified organic protein powder, some chlorella, which is the richest source of chlorophyll in the world, and I'll actually give you a $50 gift card to buy chlorella or cherry concentrate or protein powder or whatever right below this video. So check out the link. I want to support you in your health and wellness, and I'm going to link up this protein powder and the chlorella and give you a $50 gift card just for watching this video. If you wouldn't mind giving me a like, some comments below. If you have any questions, I'll answer them. I've had the old Nutribullet, I've had this Nutribullet. I think this is my third Nutribullet now. I started with their first model. The other model, just to give you a quick recap, or a quick information on that, all you do is push it down, you get it in the grooves. Similar to this one, you have to get it in the grooves. So you get it on the top and then you spin it to the right. So that's how you get either the big or small container on. You push it down and spin it to the right, and then push the power button to turn on, and it'll turn blue, so you can turn off as well. But once you turn it on, it turns blue, and then you see the blue running, and then you can do, you know, any of the settings to, you know, smoothies, sauces, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna turn that off. But yeah, it's really that simple. Plug it in, turn on, twist, push in. You're gonna hear that click. You hear that click? Power button, and then you have all those settings. And then here on the screen are the extract, low, medium, high, pulse settings, the 5 different settings that you can utilize it for. I just love the Nutribullet combo because it allows me to make smoothies, sauces, grind up anything, process vegetables, and I don't need a food processor, so it just makes it very easy for me. And it just allows me to get more superfoods in my diet. So if you want to learn more about the Nutribullet combo or any of the Nutribullet blenders, I'll link up Nutribullet below. And any of the superfoods that I use, the Boku, B-O-K-U superfood powder, and then the chlorella, which is the richest source of chlorophyll in the world, a very rich green powder. Check this out. Look at how green that is. It's almost black. Oh, it's coming out of the container. So I'm going to give you a $50 gift card just for watching this video below this video. Thank you for your time. Please leave a like, a comment below. That helps my channel grow. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you in the next video. And here, once again, is the image of the settings on the Nutribullet combo. Have an amazing day. Bye.